You're watching Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows Movie Maker for Windows 10. Subscribe to see more videos like this. So the first thing you want to do is go to the link in the description and you want to copy and paste it into the URL bar. That's basically going to link you to the direct download to the Windows Live Essentials. It will automatically start downloading within 5 seconds, so if you want to save it wherever you can. If you can't find where it's been downloaded to, it will most likely be in your downloads folder. So once you've got the program downloaded, which I have here, it will take a couple minutes max. What you want to do is go ahead and run it, and you will need admin permission. So once the pop-up comes up, you want to click yes, and it will begin to install the Windows Live Essentials. So once you come to this text box here, you want to choose the programs you want to install, and here you basically want to untick all these boxes here apart from Photo Gallery Movie Maker. So we're going to do it now, unless you want to keep the other programs of course, but you don't really want to. So you want to make sure this one's ticked only, and then we're going to click install. So installation can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on the speed of your computer. So you just want to wait for it to complete. Okay, so once it's been completed, at the end of the installation it will say it's been completed, of course. Or if it does say it's failed to install the following programs, you might get an error. If it does, don't worry about it, just click close. Then all you want to do is obviously type Movie Maker, and it should be the desktop app. So the first time opening Movie Maker, you will have to agree to the services, so we're going to accept that. So as you can see, I've got Movie Maker, it's fully opened up and it's working, so I've got all of the tabs, and I can start editing videos right away. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. So before the video ends, I'd like to mention a program called CCleaner. It's designed to keep your PC running smooth and healthy. It does this by cleaning all the junk and unnecessary files along with software that may be slowing your computer down. The program will also save gigabytes of storage while creating backups of the important files. So if you want to keep your PC running smooth and healthy, I recommend downloading CCleaner, which the link will be in the description. You can also get a free trial by going to the homepage as well. So have a good day and thank you for watching.